everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're hiking in the Green Mountain National Forest. We're going to be going over to Lye Brook Falls. Hopefully I can show you the waterfall. And yeah, just hiking in the Green Mountain National Forest. That's going to be the highlight of today, going to the waterfalls. Come along for the adventure. As you enter the park here, it's got the little synopsis of Lye Brook Wilderness. It's got the little map, obviously Lye Brook vicinity map. Looks like some people have left some old trekking poles, so that way people have a way to get around in here. I would definitely recommend trekking poles if you're going to try this up here in Vermont. Any kind of hiking in Vermont, bring some trekking poles. Don't think that you don't need them. There is a lot of area where you will need them. Sorry, folks. Only a few hours of sleep again last night, so slur of the speech. But yeah, we're gonna hit the falls. That's our goal. So two and a half. We got about a 5-mile round trip at least. Let's get in here. Alright, so we have the Lye Brook Trail. Lye Brook Falls is 2.3 miles. Bourne Pond, 7.1. Now, if you're just seeing the channel for the first time, please go check out my video on Bourne Pond. I've done that twice already. I made one video out of that. And for all the subscribers that have been to the channel for a while, I am obviously not going to go there today and do another video on that. We're going to go to the falls. I have not done a video on the falls, and that's where we're going to head to. Let's get into these woods. We got a lot of hiking to do. I tell you, folks, when you look at this canopy of green, it never gets old. Got some old birch trees in here. Some old pine. There's some maple. Maybe some hemlock. Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful hiking in here. Lucky this part is clear. Like I said, if you've seen my other video on going to the falls, you know this will be the same route. If you're new to the channel, then yes, this is about the best clearing, I think, the old path. You get brutal here. If you're going to do the falls, you got to come here, or not the falls, rather. If you're going to do the pond, you definitely have to come here at sunup. Okay, you gotta get here first light to get out there and back. There might be some bushwhacking involved, so that's how you do it. And you can primitive camp out there too. You know, bring your lightweight stuff. You can go ahead and do that. Unfortunately, in my unpreparedness, I'm not going to be lightweight backpacking on this trip. I wanted to. I wholeheartedly wanted to. But yep, lack of sleep and some of my stupidity, I forgot some items. So that is not going to happen. That's why we're just going to the falls and going back. Our second trip out, we're going to do the overnight out in the Green Mountain National Forest somewhere. Here we go. Another great sign. I love these old forest signs. Lye Brook Wilderness, Green Mountain National Forest. And you can find this area on a map. You can Google it. Plenty of information on this. Yep, let's hit that rough terrain. All right. So you come to this little box here, and it's basically a registry, a sign-in box. The Forest Service knows how many people are here. So we went ahead, put our last name in there, where we're from, and yeah, carry on. That way, if anything comes awry here, you know, they'd be able to get to this box, see how many people you're with, what your destination was, so they'd have a fairly good know-abouts as to where you might have gone. If you vary from that, well, then you're kind of out of luck. But at least that gives them some kind of idea of your destination and where you were headed to. As you can see, come to this little junction right here over the water. I'm trying to make it over the logs here, because I don't remember this ever being here. So maybe we got to go that way. Instead of playing hopscotch over the logs, we'll just do it over the rocks. Oh, telling you folks, these hiking poles come in handy, and I'll go over them again when I do my gear review. These have worked flawlessly. So this is the second time I've had them out here. Beautiful. Yep, made it across past a nice gal walking her dog out here. They were doing a timed run. They had gotten here just before I did, and obviously they weren't going to the falls. She said she's done it many times, and they were just out for a quick walk, fast-paced walk. So that's cool. Onward we go. As you can see, folks, it's just more of this rock all the way up. All the way up. I've got my mosquito netting on. Need to put it on. Mosquitoes are coming out, and they're willing to attack you. But yeah, that's what we got for the trail. More of this. Okay, folks, so we've made it to the sign that says falls, turn here. So, let back up, and that's going to be down this trail that way. If I was to continue straight, which I'm not, that'll go all the way to Bourne Pond. And we've already done that several times, so we're skipping that. And going onwards down here to the falls. So if you're doing this trail, fork in the road, take a left for the falls, straight for Bourne Pond. I gotta tell you, the bugs were atrocious. I had to put on the thermocell in order to keep going here. Now, as far as I remember, after you pass by all the rock that is absolutely horrible, the trail to the falls should be easy. Should be real easy. But we'll see. So far, that's a little look at it. So, not too bad. Now, granted, we've only started coming down here to the trail, but still. Now let's look off to the side. That's what we're looking at, folks. So you do not want to miss your footing. Okay? You want to pay attention to the trail. Yep, you don't want to miss your footing. All right. let's see how the trail is. So far we got a little obstacle here. No biggie. We'll get around this one like we did the others. Yep. Then you can see the ridge up above. Man, oh man. Nice forest out here. Let me tell you. Nice forest. There's nothing like it. Yep, a little bit of a drop. Back along the trail we are. On this trailhead here, this is what you come across. That's why it's called for mud, okay? Because the water puddles up, stays around forever if you're in what area. Therefore, it's always muddy. When you come into the falls, you're going to come through a few of the areas right here, just like I showed you, that are going to be muddy. Therefore, it's always good to have hikers on, okay? Don't take your regular sneakers. Wear hiking shoes, all right? You can find a good pair online, or you can go to REI or your local outfitter. Find them, okay? Yes, an outfitter. Don't go to Kohl's. Don't go to Walmart, Target, thinking that you're gonna find hiking shoes. Not there. Get some Keens, get some Merrells, okay? You want trail runners, get those. Okay, you can probably look them up on Shoe Biz as well. But yeah, you're gonna want to go to an outfitter, folks. Get the right stuff. Don't buy online. Sizes vary. Check out the water here. And this is why you got all the mud. We just hope the falls are flowing. But be prepared, okay? It was suggested to me that I get some muck boots, you know, for different trails and section hiking, stuff like that. I think that's a great idea. I think it's a great idea. Most of you know I hike with a brace, so I just have to see if I could fit into the muck boots. Right now, today I'm wearing Keens. I'm not wearing the Merrells. I think that's a better choice for this, because this one is rugged. You know, this whole trail system. And the Merrells, I don't think, would have provided the protection I needed. Maybe they would have. I've had no problems with them. Okay, don't get me wrong. But I think the Keens were the right choice. And yep, I keep on looking up from time to time down below. You know, it's good to know your surroundings. You're in bear country. You're in moose country. Sure, there's coyotes out here, okay? And you want to be aware of your surroundings. Quite a few down trees on the section to the falls here. Just have to get around them. Another way to it, you just gotta do it. It's what it is. Well, folks, unless my ears are deceiving me, I'm hearing some water flowing. So I'm pretty stoked. We are almost here. And the water's going. It's going to be great. I think I passed an area where they had a microburst come through here. And it was back in 2014. I was going to showcase that for you guys, but it seems that that area is growing back in again. So there's not too much to see. Only a small path of destruction went through there. Now listen to this. Bear with me, folks. We've got to climb down all this. Bear with me. This is kind of what I've gone through here in Vermont so far in every hike. So, there's a big rock. You can hang out, chill out, do whatever. But look at that. Bring you right up to it. Look at that. Just incredible. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Just incredible. This whole thing. Just incredible. Pretty incredible, right? Unbelievable. This took about 2 hours to get to. 2 hours to get to. So I'm gonna have some Starcase tuna. Hot buffalo style. Woo! Incredible. So peaceful. Love it here. Love it here. This is awesome. So I'm going to hydrate. I have a big bottle of Smart Water. I've got snacks. This is my main meal. Beautiful place. This is absolutely beautiful, folks. If you ever get a chance, just come here to the falls. Just come here to the falls. You don't have to go all the way to Bourne Pond. Don't get me wrong. That's a great self-accomplishment to get up there. Remember, stay hydrated. Okay? Bring enough food, drink. Can't stress enough on the drink. Water, Gatorade. Don't bring sodas, all that junk. Stuff to stay hydrated with, okay? That's what you're going to need out here. You might think, oh, well, when you start out, it's 50, 60 degrees. You know, it's only going to be in the 70s. I don't need it. You need it. Stay hydrated, okay? That's when you get hurt. Things happen. Have a little first aid kit with you, okay? Amongst other things. We're going to talk about all that stuff again. We're going to go through gear review again. Time and time again, we got to do it, okay? There's not enough people that understand. I see enough people getting hurt coming out here. That's just here in Vermont. But in different sections of forests and woods in different states, they don't get it. They are unprepared, okay? Let's prepare ourselves. Let's get it right so that way we go back out again and we have a great time again. Let me wrap this up. Then we'll see more of the fall. Okay, folks, as we're headed back out, I'll give you a look at this microburst area. A lot of it, like I said, is all filled in. So there's not too much to see anymore. But when the microburst came through here. So these trees that are here right now that you see were not here. This is years of growth to come back. That microburst came right here, created a strip up to the top ridge all the way through here, okay? All the way through here. You can see there's a little bit of rock there, but it cleared this whole path, okay? So this is all new growth, all coming back in from the 2014 microburst. And look at that view up there. Oh my goodness, it's awesome. Well, folks, we're basically back at the truck and I am soaking my feet. Oh yeah, this cold water feels great. Soaking the old toes. Only took an hour and 15 minutes to get back. 2 hours up, an hour and 15 to get back. Well, everybody, that was refreshing to dip my feet in that cold water after that hike. Let me tell you, but awesome. Just an awesome hike overall. Like I said, it only took an hour and 15 to get back. So it's 2 hours up for me. Hour and 15 to get back. Awesome. Nailed it. I hope all you guys enjoy this video. I enjoy making them for you. I think it's beer and burger time. I think I've deserved it. So I'm going to go clean up, and that's what I'm going to do. Have some beer, burgers, and then we'll get on to the next venture. Stay tuned to the channel, everybody. We'll see all of you on the next adventure. Take care. Oh, like, subscribe, share, get the word out there. Okay? At 172 right now. Woof! I do love it. I honestly do. I love getting out here and making this for you guys. We'll see you all on the next one.